Hello everyone, my name is Alvaro Romero. I'm a member of the sales consultants team, and today I'm here to do a Juniper webinar, but in this case will be about the Juniper Hub, one of our top new products. So first of all, let's start with the agenda. What is the Juniper Hub? How does it work? We will explain the different parts of the hot proxy cache, proxy system, caching system, and scrapping robot. Then the advantages of the Juniper Hub for your business, and we will make a brief closure. So to start, what is the Juniper Hub? The Juniper Hub is aimed for supplier or hotel chains that have the technology that we can connect to and who wish to sell their product to customers with the ability to connect to Juniper, in this case, integrators. Having more than 400 integrators connected into our web service right now. The hub gives you access to over 400 integrators around the world. Thanks to the Juniper Hub, you can sell your products and services via XML to more than 1,000 travel companies that already use our web service interface, which serve thousands of potential customers who could enjoy the connection to your system. In this way, you will get more bookings from new customers. Also, it works as an interpreter between the two parts, facilitating the connectivity through Juniper. Juniper only intervenes on a technical level to facilitate the connection between the supplier and the integrator. The business rules are established between the supplier and the customer. The supplier invoices the customer directly. From contract sign-off to live in 1 week, and you can control the pricing, rate integrity, and you can focus on your business, eliminating XML support and the needing of manage another external system. If your potential client and you already have connectivity with Juniper, you can start receiving reservation in a short amount of time, as I mentioned, from 1 week from contract sign-off, and avoiding long processes of development, testing, and certification. The customer will save money, which will also save your money. How does it work? The Juniper connects with the suppliers and hotel chains, and in the other hand, integrators connect to the API web service. Then Juniper Hub translates those requests for the supplier they receive and threads the responses to return them to the integrator. In the end, the Juniper Hub is an API translator, a bridge between APIs that does not apply any business rules and is limited to the procedures that request the results. Hot proxy cache. The hot proxy cache is a combination of different technologies that act as the perfect ally for the Juniper Hub. These systems allow suppliers and hotel chains to be more stable, keeps under control and excess traffic, thus keeping your system healthy, competitive, unbeatable response time on most demanded situations, and profitable, improving look-to-book ratios. The different parts that form the hot proxy cache are the proxy system, the caching system, and the scrapping robot. So let's explain each one of them. Hot proxy cache complements the Juniper Hub. Thanks to the transparent system, storage in cache is made in parallel. Search time in caching system is negligible, and immediate response when a request is cached. So proxy system captures all the requests that navigate through the network to external systems. It analyzes their content and connects to the caching system in order to determine if the request is already stored or it must be restored. In that case, the cache is not stored, so must be restored. So it returns. When the response arrives from the suppliers, it's stored together with the request if it's determined by the rules. In the meanwhile, the response is sent to a server in order to build the results. The main features of the proxy system are configuration rules, configurable parameters in order to optimize the storage, response time, and accuracy, storing in the caching system around 80–90% of most demanded products. Transfer and process, performing action in parallel, as I mentioned before, acting at network level, optimizing processing, and 0 milliseconds added to the response time. And also splitting and storing responses by auto level, sending only requests for the non-cache hurdles. Caching system. Responsible of storing the request and response, facilitating the access to them during the availability flow. So as you can see, the request goes to the cache, and the cache check if it is stored or not with the respective response. The search in cache takes less than 10 milliseconds to be executed. There are expiration rules in order to maintain the data updated, and before booking, a live request is sent to a supplier. Scribing robot. It's an automated process that acts as an active user, making a high volume of requests to a supplier. These requests and their corresponding response will navigate through the hot proxy cache and will be stored in the caching system if it applies based on the rules configured. This system is used to preload the availability and prices in the caching system, maintaining the data updated and avoiding live requests going to supplier systems. The main features are a set of rules which requests have to be sent, hotels, booking windows, lengths of stay, guest distribution, performance and response time improvement since the beginning, and more efficient when the supplier is able to provide all the rates for all clients in the same request and response. The system matches unfiltered responses, only sending the rates allowed for each customer. The advantages of the Juniper Hub for your business. You will be able to expand your sales network to include thousands of travel companies around the world. Quick connection if you already have connectivity to a Juniper system. If you are already a Juniper supplier, in 1 week you can be connected to the hub. It's an average. We do not intervene with your business rules. The communication between the supplier and the client is direct, and we only translate the different interfaces. The commercial agreement will always be between the supplier and their customer, and we are not involved in invoices, bookings, or anything. Juniper does not get involved in any commercial agreement between the parties. Very competitive response times. If you are a new partner in Juniper, we develop the integration to your system. You can reduce your internal costing system by using the hub to connect your customers. Improving look-to-book ratio thanks to our cache system. We give technical support to customers who want to integrate with your system. And one of the best advantages is that you don't have to configure, maintain, or manage any external system. You simply have to configure your credentials, your client's credentials in your own system, and we will take care of everything else. So for making an overview about everything that we have been explaining in this webinar, thanks to the Juniper Hub is a platform aimed at other suppliers or other chains that want to distribute their product to more than 1,000 travel companies that we have already connected into our web service. Being able to sell your product to a huge quantity of clients and increasing your revenue and your number of bookings. If you want more information about this product, you can find our landing page, juniperhub.com, and then here you can find more information about everything about this. Also, if you want, you have the possibility to watch again this webinar, and also about all the rest of the webinars about Juniper, booking engine, etc. And thank you for your time. I hope this webinar was useful. If you want to contact us, you can send us an email to sales consultants, and we will take care of it, and we will answer you as soon as we can. So thank you for your time. Bye bye.